Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we are going to start for the lecture number 21. That is from chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry from grade ninth. And the topic that we are going to discuss is molecule and its term. This is a very interesting topic. So let's start that. Before knowing its types, you must know what does mean by a molecule. So a molecule is formed by the chemical combination of the atoms. When the atoms are going to combine chemically, then the resulting species is known as a molecule. For example, we have hydrogen and chlorine. They are going to form the HCl. So these are the atoms of two elements, hydrogen and chlorine. They will form the HCl. So HCl is a molecule. And when two chlorine atoms are going to combine, they will form the chlorine molecule. So these are the two examples for the molecule. And molecule, it is the smallest unit of a substance. If we have any substance, then its smallest unit will be known as its molecule. There are basically three types of molecules that we have. The first one is monatomic molecules, second one we have diatomic molecules, and the third one we have triatomic molecules. So let's start from the first type, that is monatomic molecules. Mono means one, atomic mean atoms. So, a molecule consisting of only one atom, it is called as monoatomic molecule. A molecule having only one atom, it is known as a monoatomic molecule. From the name we have already known, mono means one. So, the examples for the monatomic molecule, we have all the noble gases. Noble gases. Noble gases are from group 8A of the periodic table, and these gases having their name, the first one is helium, second one is neon, third one is argon, next fourth one we have krypton, fifth one we have xenon, and the last one, sixth, we have radon. So these are the noble gases, and they always exist in monatomic form. And why they exist in monatomic form? The reason is that they have their octet complete. Complete octet means they have 8 electrons in their valence shell. So the noble gases do not require to take part in any chemical reaction. So that's why they always exist in monatomic form. Next, we have the second type for the molecules. It is diatomic molecules. Di mean two, atomic mean atoms. So from the name, we have learned that if a molecule is consisting of two atoms, then it is called as diatomic molecule. Di mean two, and atomic mean atoms. If a molecule is having two atoms in it, it is known as a diatomic molecule. And the examples for diatomic molecule, we have hydrogen as H2. There are two hydrogen atoms. For nitrogen as N2, it is having two nitrogen atoms. Third one, we have oxygen as O2. It is the example of diatomic molecule. Next, we have fluorine, chlorine. Fluorine, it is the example of diatomic molecule. Chlorine, it is the example of diatomic molecule. Next, we have bromine, Br. It is the example of diatomic molecule. So, the diatomic molecules always exist in diatomic form. They do not exist in monoatomic form. So last one we have iodine, I2. There are two atoms of iodine. In the bromine we have two atoms of bromine. In chlorine we have two atoms of chlorine. In fluorine we have two atoms of fluorines. So these all are the examples of diatomic molecule. Next we have the third one type, which is triatomic molecule. The tri word is going to show the number 3, and atomic means atoms. So we have three atoms in a molecule, then this molecule is known as triatomic molecule. For example, we have H2O. It is having two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So 2 plus 1, they are going to form three atoms. So this is the example of triatomic molecule. On the other hand, we have SO2, sulfur dioxide. It is having one sulfur atom and two oxygen atoms. So 1 plus 2, we will gain total three atoms. So it is a structure of sulfur dioxide that is must bend shape, S double bond O and S double bond O. So it is having three atoms, so it is a triatomic molecule. Next we have forms of molecule. There are two forms of molecule. The first one is homoatomic molecule and the second one we have heteroatomic molecules. Now what does mean by homoatomic and heteroatomic molecules? Homo means same. If a molecule is having same atoms, then it is known as homoatomic molecules. On the other hand, if a molecule is having different atoms, then it is known as a heteroatomic molecule. The examples for the homoatomic molecule we have H2Cl2O3. These are the examples of homoatomic molecules. In hydrogen molecule, we have just hydrogen. Chlorine molecule, we have just chlorine. In ozone, we have only oxygen atoms. So these are the examples of homoatomic molecule. While on the other hand, for heteroatomic molecule, the simple example that we have, it is H2O. It is having hydrogen as well as oxygen. So it is a heteroatomic molecule. The next example we have HCl. It is a heteroatomic molecule because it is having hydrogen as well as chlorine in it. So this is our today's lecture forms of molecules. So there are two forms, homoatomic and heteroatomic molecules. I hope you guys understand that. And if you have any queries, you can ask about that in the next session. And I will get back to you soon, guys. Inshallah. Have a good day. Thank you.